Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about PTC India Finance Services Limited. PTC India Finance Service Limited. The face value of the scrip 10 rupees. The 52 weeks high 24 rupees 25 paisa dated 8th of December 2020. And the 52 weeks low is 16 rupees 10 paisa dated 22nd of September 2020. The closing price 18 rupees. Dated 20th of August 2021. The shareholding pattern. The promoters are holding 64.99% and the public is holding 35.01%. The script is giving a dividend in a regular interval basis. You can check yourself. This is the 15 days data analysis. According to this, 20 rupees 95 paisa acts as a resistance, support level is 17 rupees and the traded volume is pretty impressive. This is a 1 month data analysis. According to this, 22 rupees 35 paisa acts as a resistance, support level is 17 rupees and the traded volume is pretty impressive. This is a 5 years data analysis. According to this, the scrip has touched the level of 70 rupees and the bottommost point is below 10 rupees. If the scrip breaks the level of 15 rupees below, the scrip will get weaker. Above 24 rupees level, the scrip can take an further upward movement. This is the all-time graph. Here you can see the Bollinger Band. The scrip is touching the lower band, which indicates the natural buying can come in. And according to the RSI, the scrip is in the oversold zone. So natural buying can come in and pull the scrip up. The total study in this particular recording is based on the past performance of the scrip, which is subjected to market conditions in which all type of risks are involved. The risk factor is there. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.